Hello guys, this is Garcha from GIB Foreign Market Brokers. So today I'm gonna tell you about the basics of the trading, online trading. Normally these days we have CFDs, most of the areas around the world. And let us start with the introduction. So first of all, what is the trading? What is trading? Trading is something we are buying and selling, and out of that buying and selling we are making profit. So trading is happening in the stock market, trading is happening in the forex market, commodity market, indices, anything in which we are dealing in the buying and selling. When transaction is completed and we are making money out of it, that is a trading. So nowadays how the trading is going on, it's online trading. We call it online forex trading, we call it online CFD trading, online stock market, like this. So what is the basic? Basic is like we have a platform, we have a computer system these days on the mobile phones, on the different platforms, on the TVs. We see the prices, we call our broker, we say, I want to buy this stock, I want to buy this currency, I want to buy this particular commodity, and they buy a position for us, they book a position for us, and later when the prices goes up, we sell it and we make money. Introduction of the trading is, it is started with the around 1971, and at that time the volume was very low as compared to the current markets. So you can see how the trading concept is increasing, and it is increasing per day basis around the world. So how many traders we have? We can say everybody is the trader. If we look at the volume, see in 1971 the volume was around 80. In 1980, still from 1971 to 1980, the volume was around $17 billion. From that it increased to $70 billion, and after 20 years it was $1.3 trillion. And if I tell you about the current, so current is $5.1 trillion approximately. And I remember very well, and like just 2-3 years back, 4 years back, the volume was around $3.5 trillion. So you can see every day the volume is increasing, and everybody is trading in the market. Most of the people, they are asking questions, they want to know how to enter the market. So I have covered few basic points, so let us see. So first of all, type of trading. As I told you already, there are 3 different kind of market. The first is about forex market, second is the stock market, third one is the commodity market. So in the forex, we are dealing with the currencies. Forex is a short form and the complete form is foreign exchange. Commodity market, you can see with the name, commodity contains metals, basic commodities like tea, wheat, sugar, coffee, maize, barley, corn, etc, etc, etc. Then the third one is the stock market. The stocks, every country, each part of the world, there might be possible there are few countries which they don't have the stock market, but mostly every part of the world they have their own stock market. Their own companies are listed in that stock market, and that's how we are dealing with the we are buying the share, we are selling the share, like this. And around the world, mostly the major volume you will find in the US market, in the British market, in the European market, some Indian ADRs, Asian market, Singapore, Chinese, Japanese market, Australian market, like this. And indices is it is an index. It's a group of index. Is called an index. It's like Dow Jones, Nasdaq, DAX, CAC. So different countries, they have their own parameters to measure the equities, like on the weighted average system. Some are following some other system. So like in the Dow Jones, top 30 companies of the USA are listed, and on that basis the index is going up or down. Dow Jones called the US 30 also, like German 30. It is also known as the DAX. So they have also 30 companies. So with the name itself, you can find how many companies are listed in that. So another major point is when you are entering in the stock, market to the forex trading platform. So major point, first point you have to always keep in mind, like choosing the right broker. Whatever area, whatever part of the world you are, you have to first of all see which platform is good for you. So it is based on several parameters. These are the basic You can put the question, you have to question yourself like whether you have these things in your broker or not. So first of all, you have to see the licensing regulation. But there are a lot of companies, they are opening and then they are collecting the money, they are promising some percentages to the clients and they are running away because they are not regulated, they are not licensed by any of the authority. Like there are a few regulations in UAE, in Dubai we have a central bank license. In UK we have FCA regulation, before it was known as the FSA. FSA was started from Europe. So like this. And Australia, this is very important who got license. It's a ASIC. A lot of people they trust on ASIC. I have seen people are using the Australian platform. So any platform, any company which is regulated, listed in that country, they have to have particular license. If that company have that license, so this means company has to abide the laws and regulations and rules of the country and the that authority, so that they will not cheat the client anyway. After this, you have to, this is a very important point, number of financial products. So number of financial products is like, for example, few people are only interested in the major pairs like US dollar, British pound, euro, or Swiss franc, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. So they can choose any platform which have only 5 pairs of currency, 6 pairs of currency with the oil and gold and silver. So they are happy with that, and I have seen people are trading in that. There are a few people they want a wide range of the products, including all the cross pairs, exotic pairs, and few commodities. But there are some platforms which have shares listed in that. There are all the commodities are listed, all the currency pairs, more than 99 pair of the currencies are listed. So you have to always choose, in my opinion, the platform which have wide range of the products. Normally what happen as and when you are learning more and more and more, so you will start finding different sources of the information in which you might find any target which is linking, let's say, to the cross pair or the exotic pair, and the target and the tip is very strong. But if you don't have any platform, you will miss the opportunity, right? So you have to choose the platform as per that. After that, this you have to find safety of the fund is also the most important point. There are companies, those who are giving the insurance on the deposits of the clients. So you have to see if the company have the insurance and what is the amount of the insurance. For example, if you are depositing $1 billion, but the company is only giving insurance to the $100,000 or $250,000, so that is not so good for you. You have to see the company who is giving, or you can manually talk with the companies if they can increase the insurance amount or something like that. So there is a certificate of the insurance. You can always ask the companies that kindly provide me the insurance certificate, so that they can check you, like you can have a check on the amount of the insurance, and it will help you at the time of if the company is running away. Support, now it is also one of the very good point. Most of the companies, they are the, like in UAE region, I know, because the brokers are from US or UK or from Australia, the platforms are outside the country, and there are some Cyprus based companies, so they have only the wrap offices here. They don't have the dealing rooms, they don't have the support people to help you out. And this is very important point, because if you have a support, if you have a dealing room, anytime if your trade is giving a recourse, your trade has taken but automatically closed, sometime some technical error come or problem come, so to whom you have to contact, because emails are not working in these cases. You have to have somebody, like 24-hour dealing room facilities are there. They are with some companies I have seen, like right night time you want to put a trade, and if the volume is on the very means in the fluctuation mode, so the company, what happened, on the platform you cannot place the trades. Company from the backside they block the trade, but over the phone, over the support dealing room, so support help, or with the relationship manager, you can place the trade. So you have to see this point also in the mind while choosing a broker. And the leverage is also important point, because there are certain licenses, they are only allowing 1:50 leverage facility. So leverage facility is also important, especially for the small accounts. Let's say if anybody have account below $10,000 or $5,000, so they have to have a high leverage, so that to take some handful of position and you can realize a good profit out of that. So leverage, we need more leverage to our products, because we can calculate the position anyways manually also how much we can take, but if the more leverage is there, it is helpful for us to make a healthy trade. And bonus, our next point is the bonus. Bonus is also a very important point. If any, there are a lot of companies I have seen in this region and outside also, they are offering a bonus to the clients to start an account with them. Bonus is just a gimmick, it's just a technique of attracting the clients, but as per any authority, any regulatory body, any licensing body, bonus or any kind of these kind of new tactics are not allowed. So if any platform is giving you simple trading platform, like only a trading, so that is just a good platform for you. You have to take this thing in your mind while choosing your broker. Now next point is the platform. The platform is very important point, because it's your friend to make a trade and make money in the stock market or in the Forex or in the commodity market also. So platform is very important point, is very important thing which you have to select. There are a lot of companies I have seen, they are giving their own platform, but I personally suggest only MetaTrader 4 to choose as a platform, because this is very old platform in the market and they have already done so many changes as per the convenience of the client. So and also MetaTrader, if you will open it on the laptop, it has a feature of the market. So if you will go in that market, you will find the oscillators, studies, EAs, different kind of study material also, so which is helping you to make trades. And secondly, if for example you are finding any particular study or the oscillator to put it on the chart, and you have been using it or you have been seeing it, it is very good, so you can find it in that market. So MetaTrader is one of the best platform right now, I can say, to use. So platform should be MetaTrader along with the broker. Next is now the points will start. You have to have, when like you wanted to put a hands on to the trading, you have decided, yes, I have selected the broker, I have selected the platform, now I want to jump in the trading actually. So in that case, first of all, you have a complete training. You have to have your relationship manager. Find a right relationship manager, because I've seen there are a lot of people are there. They are just wearing a nice suit, they are wearing a nice tie, having good pocket squares, good watches, good shoes, good pants, blazer, ties, everything. But what about the knowledge? What about the knowledge of the trading? What about the techniques of the trading? So this is the most important point you have to take. You have to select the right relationship manager who's giving you the right training. So that is the most important point, because training is not just compiled with opening and closing of the software, then you are doing it by your own. I have seen there are a lot of clients, they started trading by themselves and they neglect the trainer or their support system, support people, relationship manager or consultant. My suggestion is never break the connection with them, because they are the most important pillars to make your background is strong for this trading. So you have to never break a touch with them. You can take a positions by yourself, but always consult with few of the good people. Just try to make a group of the traders, or try to make a friendship with the relationship manager to have more and more information. If you are taking any position, you have to ask the question why the position is being taken, what is the reason behind it. Then there might be a charting signal, there might be a technical signal, there might be a fundamentalist kind of approach in this taking a position, like geopolitical news, something happened there, so that's why this position been taken. You have to ask these questions. These are very important questions. So take your complete training from the trainer, from the relationship manager, and then you start your real trading. And when you are starting a real trading, at that time also I will suggest you, if you have to take a one lot, don't take a one lot, start taking initial positions with 1/10 of the lot, break the quantities. So for example, if any loss will also happen, so it will be 1/10 of the total what you have suggested, what you have thought for yourself. And if you wanted to check the trading on the MetaTrader, so I will put a link in the description. We have made a video. Try to use initially mobile phone MetaTrader platform, because that is easier. You can carry anywhere. If you are going out in the market, you are going in the playground, you are going anywhere, it will be your friend, it will be with you anytime. You can check your positions, you will not be away from the market. And use the stop losses, use the target profits initially when you are entering in the market. And if you have any question, you have any doubt, just send me a mail, send me a query, send me by website. You can send me a WhatsApp messages. I will try to provide you the information. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.